Hello and welcome to another OrangeStore tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be walking you through the different ways to work with the advertising side of things on the OrangeStore system, to load your own images onto the system, to remove existing ones, and a quick look at the stock images located on the system, freely available for you to use. So to start things off, we first of all want to access the advertising folder, the main advertising folder. And there's two ways to do this. One way would be to, which is effectively the long way, is to go to the Start menu, which is the bottom left here. If you just click on the Start menu and click on Computer, this will open up My Computer. And if we go to the OrangeStore folder, this is the main OrangeStore folder, we've got stock images, slideshow for audio-only songs, playlogs, playlists, images through dedicated billboards, and helper files. Now, if we double-click on slideshow for audio-only songs, and we see these images here. Now all of these images are currently playing when an audio-only song plays, so it'll cycle through these images depending on how long you have set for the time interval for each image to display. These images will appear. Now, should you wish to delete some of these images, that's a very simple task of just a matter of selecting an image and hitting the delete key on the keyboard. Then it'll come up with, are you sure you wish to remove this file to the recycle bin? And the answer is yes. So that's it, that's that image removed. The next part of this tutorial is to then add your own pictures from a USB stick or a card reader to this folder. Now, to do that, you simply insert a USB into the front of the computer. There's a USB slot, there's card readers there, so just whack in your whatever you've got your images stored on, put that into the computer, like I will do right now. So once that's in, it'll come up, OrangeStore, it'll load, open folder to view files is what you want to click, and then it'll load up your thing here. So we're looking for the images file, and then we have all of these images here. So if we just open one, these are just a few different images that I want to display on my TV screens when an audio only song plays. So, you know, just various, you know, like food specials, you know, upcoming promotions, beer drinks promotions, you know, food and drink specials, that kind of thing. So, say we want to choose these few images. We want food and drink specials, Halloween, Heineken, say there's those few images. So we've selected them now, and what we need to do is we need to copy them from this folder, which is on your USB stick or your card reader, and you want to paste it into the folder which has the slideshow for audio-only songs. So we're in here, we hit the Control-C to copy them, or we right-click on a selected clip and choose Copy. And then we come on over to our slideshow for audio-only songs, and we hit Control-V, or we right-click and choose Paste. And it's just copy and replace, yep, that's cool, they were just already in that folder. So now we have our images in there, ready to be used. Now before they appear on our TV screens, we just need to refresh our slideshow settings inside of the OrangeStore software. So if we just close these two folders, just to close them down, and we hit the Alt-S shortcut, that'll bring up the video slideshow configuration. Now, I've used Alt-S for that. If you're unfamiliar with the shortcut keys, pressing the F1 key on your keyboard will bring up the shortcut keys guide effectively, and it has all the shortcuts available. So we used Alt-S, as you can see there. Alt+S is slideshow. And then your other ones, if we go through them, Alt-B is search, Alt-I import playlist, Alt-T for ticker, Alt-H for scheduling, and Alt-O opens up your coin toss. So we'll just hit close that and we'll get rid of that. So again, we'll hit Alt-S to bring up the slideshow, and we just want to hit apply on that, and then it's just going to refresh our slideshow images. So if we drag in an audio-only song, we can tell an audio song, remember, by there's nothing in the attributes. These for video, nothing means it's an audio. So if we drag that song into the deck and we choose next, it'll cycle through and start playing, and then you can see our advertising images start to appear on the TV screen. Now say for example that picture there of the Rocky Mountains we didn't want to have. We don't want to use that. We want to remove that from the list. So we hit the F3 key to open the slideshow for audio-only songs. Again, if you hit the F1, that brings up your shortcut keys guide. As you can see, F1, F2, F3, F4. F3 is audio-only ads, so we know that if we hit F3, the audio-only ads are going to appear, and they have. So this is the road with the Rocky Mountain in the back. We don't want that image, so we just want to click on it and hit the delete key, hit yes, and then it's gone. Say you want to delete multiple images from the folder. Select multiple by just holding the control key and selecting multiple images, and again hitting the delete key and pressing enter for yes will just remove those images. And then once they've deleted, you just need to go back into your software, Alt S to bring up the slideshow configuration, hit apply, and that's refreshed itself. Now, if you do not have any images on a USB stick, but you want to change the images that you currently have showing, OrangeDaw offer you a wide range of images available as stock, free to use, and these are located in the stock folder. So to access this folder, we want to go to the Start menu, which again is down the bottom left-hand corner. If we click the Start button, hit Computer, that loads up the My Computer settings. We go to the OrangeDaw folder, and then we've got a folder here called Stock Images. So if we double-click on that, we've got a bunch of different names. We've got abstract, animals, beach, big city, cars, Christmas, country, drinks, food, nature, New Zealand, people, plane, sport, structures, and Valentines. So if we take Valentines for example, if we open that up, you can see here we've got a wide range of Valentine's images, you know, hearts, bows, red, strawberries, everything you can dream of in terms of Valentine's, it's here. And again, you know, if we wanted to use these images, holding the control key, select multiple things, you know, those few, control C or right click copy, and then paste them into the audio only folder, and then yeah, refresh and you're away to go. And if we have a look around here as well, we've got Christmas. You know, if you open up Christmas, there's a lot of Christmas images there, you know, Santa, you know, that kind of thing. And there's more in that folder, and then there's more again. You know, you just can't really get enough of Christmas and at that time of the year. And yeah, drinks as well, you know, you've got all your main drink specials if you're, you know, that way inclined. If you just go through here, you've got all your Jim Beam and your KGBs and your Line Reds and your Max and that kind of thing. So it's all there ready to be used, and that's easy. Remember, just copy and paste one folder to another and they're good to go. So if we can close that now. So yeah, that's pretty much all you need to know in terms of using the advertising part of the software. What I will quickly run through as well over here is the dedicated advertising channel. Now this is images through dedicated, so that's F2 on your keyboard, that brings up your dedicated channel. And from there, you know, basically this means that if you plug something into the back of the computer, there's a separate, on your little back panel there, you've got dedicated advertising as compared to your video one out. The songs that play through your audio only play through the video one, and songs through dedicated play through that single channel, and that plays 100% of the time. And you know, you can change 15, 30 second, 1 minute intervals between images, that kind of thing. That's all freely changeable and very simple to use. And that's the same principle as well of just copying images into that folder and you're good to go. So yes, that's pretty much everything I can tell you on the advertising side of things. Thanks for listening.